Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. She said hi. And if you have not already clicked that notification bell, go ahead and click that notification bell. And don't mind the background of this video. I got my little blanket on the bed because I was just laying down. But I did get I got a package, and today I am going to be doing another wig review, and I also am going to be doing a review on their products that they sent me. So stay tuned. So yeah, let's get started. Let's get straight into this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and also follow me. I am opening up the package to see what is in here. I love these little things, but they're loud when you pop them. I like the little ones though. Ooh, got some more glue. And guess how much this was? This was only $6. So you guys, this is actually how the glue looks. And I don't know if I might have to move out the camera so I can focus it on just the glue. But it is Meikiky Invisible Adhesive Glue. 100% safe for your skin, humidity, and oil resistance. Strong hold. And this was only $6. So yeah, I came in luck with this because when I go to the hair store, I spend way more than $6. So yeah, this is a great deal. This is definitely a great deal. But yeah, you can get this off of Amazon. And I am going to post the link to these products in the description below. So, packaging, this is the wig. It is synthetic, deep wave, 613. Y'all know how we like our 613s. And then this is the wig cap. And then we got some lashes. We got some lashes, Lonnie. Some lashes. And these are actually cute. They're 3D. Yes, these are actually cute. This wig out. So we're about to unpackage this wig and test this wig out. So we won't know if it's worthy or not until we test this wig out. I am not going to be putting it on my head because I actually already got it installed. So you guys, this is actually how the wig looks. It is very soft. It's very thick. It is a synthetic wig. It do come already pre-cut, so you don't have to worry about cutting anything. So yeah, it's really cute. It's a middle part. It is 26 inches, if I'm not mistaken. Very long. Yeah, soft. Hello guys. So, today I have another wig review from Amazon. It is a bob wig. So we're gonna see what this wig is hitting for. It is off Amazon. I love the pink. The pink is just given. But yes, stay tuned for this video. You guys do not want to miss this review. I'm going to add this on to my last review because I know I did not get to finish it. So as I opened the packaging, it did come with a wig cap, which, you know, the wigs always come with wig caps. I love when wigs come with wig caps. Like I said, I could add this to my wig cap collection. And it came with directions to the wig. I am gonna put this wig link in the description below, as well as the other wig I reviewed, so stay tuned for that. As I open up the wig is really cute. It's really soft. It is 10 inches, which is really fine to me. It's a 13x4 lace frontal. It's a bob. I haven't had a bob in a while. And I'm cool with that because it is hot outside. So I want to see what these bobs are hitting for. I am actually going to install this. I love the curls on the bottom. They're really cute. And then I'm going to come up with my part as well. But yeah, it's really cute. It's thick, full, and it is 10 inches. I am going to put this link in the description below. So stay tuned for that too. And yeah, we're going to try this bad boy on. So I got my HD wig cap on and I'm ready to install this wig. Yes, I got my lace tint spray too. Yeah, I'm gonna be putting this on because I ain't got no bleach, y'all. So I'm gonna do the best I can. Plucking, I'm also gonna pluck. The hairline looks pre-plucked, so it should be pretty good. Yeah, I love this wig. It's pretty cute. I can't wait to install it. But I just hope my hair not too long, cause like my hair is long. So I hope my hair not too long for like in the back. I hope my hair is not like too long. Like. You're gonna have to give me some more, but y'all look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, we did something better than nothing. Okay. But yeah, we about to get this wig installed onto my head. Right now. So y'all, I gotta cut this because it's killing my head. At least a little bit. So it could loosen up on my head. But yeah, I'm waiting until this get all the way white so I could cut the hairline. And you know, we could measure this wig onto my head. So I feel like it's giving like Merlin with the black hair. I like the bobs. The bobs are giving. The bobs, and it's hot out, and I was getting tired of being in them my long wigs because it's too fucking hot. But yeah, like not the bob though. It's giving bob. So I just freaking laid my little layer down, my little lace band. But yeah, I'm gonna sit this on here for about 20 minutes so it can melt in place. So stay tuned. I just want it to melt in place, like to actually melt and look good. But in the meanwhile, I gotta use my little ghetto pressing comb. If you ain't watched my videos in a while, this is what I've been using for my pressing comb because it's broke. So y'all, so this is the outcome of this wig. I cut the lace and it blended really well. It did come with a headband. I put the little headband in. Period. It looks really nice. I am gonna put the link to this wig in the description below, so stay in tune for that. This wig is 10 inches. It's thick. I love the curls, and yeah, it do come with this headband. It's really lovely. So yeah, make sure you guys order. Yo, I'm feeling it. But I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Buy this wig. It did not cost that much. I'm also going to put the price of this wig in this video, so stay tuned for that too. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.
I've been